Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Rantau. Now she's imagining something. Tao Tao, I, right now, thinking too much. But suddenly, she caressed her face, remembering what's happened. Now she is blushing. Tao Tao, it's early in the morning. Now she's been crazy. You're on the bus. What are you doing? Tao Tao, you don't have a cold, do you? Your face is so red. Now, her friends is asking her if she feels sick because her face is turning red. Suddenly, Tao Tao, she came back to herself and said to her friend, no, it's too hot. Haha. Now she's been laughing hard. But after the moment, Tao Tao said, let's go. Let's go back to the school. She opened the door of the car. The two of them are going to leave. Well, it turns out Suman was there. Now she's seriously reading. Tao Tao, it really surprised her. Why Suman suddenly on the car? But right now, are you here? Sister Manman said she also wanted to go back to the school. So she sent her off together. And now the driver only told Tao Tao right now. Suman was there together and the two of them are going to school. Well, for her, I get car sick. I will sit in front. Tao Tao said to Suman just to ignore her. Suddenly Suman grabbed her. Well, Suman's really want to stop her. That's why right now she is holding her shirt. Randao at this moment, since she was thinking crazy, that's why right now she feel awkward when she suddenly sees Suman's. Well, it's like a little bonding of the two of them, but in an awkward way. Fortunately, the program team, a bit humane, they knew that we were very tired on the islands and gave us a week of rest. Hunger marketing can also be considered. Method, a driver said to them. Right now, looking at Suman, she was looking at Tao Tao. Sit tight and set off. Now, she's been scolded. For Rantau, right now, she's not moving. Also, she was confused. She was touching back of her head that was touching by Suman. Place that was touched just now. It feels itchy. Now, Rantau, she looked back to see Suman's on the car mirror. But looking at her, she was still blushing. Although Suman right now, she looks really serious. Said to herself, ah, I really want to die. Tao Tao said to herself right now, feeling awkwardness also striking her. In her imagination, she is having a moment with Suman, but it was not right. Instead, she was with her, go to school together. It is all Sinue's fault. What do you say about the CP speculation? Stepmother, it caused me last night. What are you thinking about? Suman suddenly moved forward to her, asking her. No, no, I don't think about anything. Randao said to Suman. Now, she was really blushing, so Suman touched her face again. Right now, she wanted to move away from the seat. Now, she really feels awkward. Randao said, Teacher Su, you want to give space for herself. Suman, she's like provoking her. Her phone is ringing. Seems like it was your father. It's a WeChat message sent by your father. Now, Suman, she looks really serious. But for Rantau right now, even though she looks serious, well, it was not right. And she's really slow mover. Looking at her reaction, now, it really gets serious. Honey, your Aunt Sue is getting married. Will attend your mother instead of your father. Now, she gave her a money. Aunt Sue? Which Aunt Sue? Brother Shein, my dad sent me a message saying that Aunt Sue is getting married. This weekend, which Aunt Sue? She don't know which Aunt Sue, but the driver said it should be. Well, suddenly, Suman, she grabbed her at the back. Now, wants her to sit down. A little bit delicate, still the car is moving around. She don't have strapless that she's going to use. Well, for now, someone said to her, don't disturb the driver while driving. Fasten your seatbelt and sit obediently. Now she's been scolded again by Suman. Suman said to her, my sister is getting married this weekend. Turns out it was Suman's sister. It's going to marry again. But why suddenly Rantau? She feels so confused. Why it is the Su family's wedding again? Last time. No, she really got confused. Well, Suman, the three girls. She's the one who's get married first, aside from her two sisters. But back then, Rantau right now, she remembers about Bai Wenjuan. Since it was Suman's sister again, well, they really need to attend to, especially Suman, it's her sister. But Rantau right now seems to be confused. She remembers that before, Suman was crying the shoulder of her sister. Probably, right now, she really got confused. Well, for Suman, she looks really serious. Suddenly, right now, she was watching Rantau's reaction. Since she don't react, Suman's right now. Brother Yin, when I was chatting with Tao Tao, I was talking uncontrollably, accidentally mentions Bai Wenjuan, which made Tao Tao angry. Right now, the driver, Tao Tao, I will go with you on the weekend, show you my face, and I will take you to play. Well, this is it. Right now, the driver gets interrupted by Suman. Suman said to the driver, she's with me. Also, don't be distracted while driving. Now, this is getting crazy. Suman, from time to time, is being possessive over Rantau. Looking at her right now, looks really serious. Well, she really looks scary. Now, the driver said yes. Well, probably. Go, I must go. Sudai is still my class teacher. I was just thinking about Sudai. She's marrying. Right now, Tao Tao seems to be confused. Well, she keep herself silent. Right now, she is not. Rantau, probably, she want to remember about the past. But looking at it, she looks really serious and also she looks really sad. Well, on her mind, remember, do you like women? Sudai and Suman was talking before. Well, did Rantau really heard it? It seems to be confusing. Driver is also confused. They don't have much to say. PD, Master Yin's travel safely. Now the driver is getting crazy. So, there's no problem with them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!